The second one's the disciples on their way to Emmaus. Luke chapter 24, verse 13 to 32. We continue, verse 13. These two disciples were going to Emmaus, yes? And they were discussing how Jesus was suffered, his death, and how the women found the what? The empty tomb. So, they talked about it as a tragedy, yes? Because they were hoping that Jesus will liberate them from the Roman rule. Then they found they saw Jesus and they started explaining to him what happened. That's why they were asking him, where are you from? Because you do not know what? These stories. But Jesus explained to them the scriptures, yes? He explained to them the scriptures and told them the Messiah was to suffer, yes? And then was going to rise in glory after what? After 3 days. But they could not understand. So they invited Jesus to what? To dine with them. They did not know it is Jesus. So when they went to dine with him, it's basically to eat with him. He took the what? The bread and broke it. That is when their eyes were what? Were opened. And immediately Jesus vanished. So the disciples now, because they had discovered that Jesus was alive, they went and spread the message to the what? To the apostles. Are you understanding? Yeah. So the first witnesses were who? The very day?
The very day, two of them were going to the village named Emmaus, about 7 miles from Jerusalem.
And talking with each other about all things that had happened.
While they were talking and discussing together, Jesus himself drew near and went with them.
But their eyes were turned to the horizon.
And he said to them, what is the conversation which you are holding with each other as you walk? And they stood still, looking sad.
Then one of them, named Cleopas, answered him, are you the only visitor to Jerusalem who does not know the things that have happened there in these days?
And he said to them, what things? And they said to him, concerning Jesus of Nazareth, who was a prophet and lived and fought before God and brought the people.
And how our chief priest and rulers delivered him up to condemn to death and crucified him.
But we had thought that he was the one to redeem Israel. Yes. And he said of this, there was now the 3rd day since he started. None was among our company amongst us. They were at the tomb early in the morning.
And we did not find his body. And they came back saying that they had even seen a vision of angels who said that he was alive.
Some of those who were with us went to the tomb and found it just as the woman had said, but him they did not see.
And he said to them, open the door. Look how to believe that the prophet and prophet. For they do not expect that the Christ should suffer these things and enter into his glory.
And beginning with Moses and all the prophets, he interpreted to them in all the scriptures the things concerning himself.
So they lingered in the village to which they were and appeared to be very far.
But they pursued him, saying, "Wait with us, for it is still evening, and it is now past 4." So he went in to stay with them.
When he was at table with them, he took the bread and blessed it, and broke it and gave it to them.
And their eyes were opened and they read it and he vanished about their sight.
They said to each other, did not our hearts burn within us while we talked to us on the road?
while he opened to us a steep task.
Yes, can we reach there? So